Hello everyone, I am Bhumidit from Thailand. This talk I will talk about how to collect cloud data by using Globe Observer app. Why is static cloud important? If you follow with the news last year, extreme phenomena caused by climate change, such as rainstorm, will lead to cloud on the sky. For today, I will collect cloud data by using Globe Observer app. Please download Globe Observer app for this activity. Now we are on Globe Observer app. Click Cloud Protocol. New Cloud Observation. Enter local time, local date, and location. For today, sky look like as cloud. Percentage of cloud more than 50%. Move to high level cloud observation. As you know that high level cloud will be zero or select keyword. Today, no high level cloud. For mid level cloud, observe circulates autocumulus. And broken low level cloud for today, for stratocumulus.
Down.
And send cloud data to Go website. Absolutely, Cloud Protocol is easily to collect cloud data. Join to Go student. Please follow, subscribe, and see you again. Bye!